Hey, what's up everybody? For those of you that don't know me, I'm Teddy Graff of Graff Farms. Over the past year and a half, I've had a few people reach out and suggest that I start a YouTube channel or just start doing videos of some sort. And at first I kind of thought it was silly. There's already a bunch of different farm-related YouTube channels and stuff out there, and those guys do a tremendous job every day of taking you with them and showing you how their day-to-day activities go. I struggled with trying to find something that sets us apart from all the other channels as to why somebody would want to see what our day-to-days look like compared to theirs. The more I thought about it, it's probably a good idea. Over the last year or so, I've been working on being more of an advocate for ag, and I am now currently on my county Indiana Farm Bureau board, and that has been a tremendous way to do that. It's opened up lots of different doors for me and helped me meet new people. I guess we'll see how it goes, and we'll see what happens from here. It's been a couple days since I last talked to you. That same day, I had a rotor bearing go out in my combine, and my dad's combine had a DEF module go out, so we got shut down for about a day. We ran a little bit last night. We're getting some fuel in right now, getting ready to go. It is Saturday, and it's probably mid-afternoon. We spent the majority of the day today getting ready for our wheat planting and getting equipment going and getting everything hooked up, ready to go for it. So we'll pick here for a little bit this afternoon, hopefully get some good videos together. What's up, guys? So today's Sunday. We took the day off. We picked some pumpkins today. We planted some pumpkins for the kids to pick and be able to sell. And then we have football games today. We got a couple cheerleaders, so that's what we do on Sundays. That's almost over, and we're about to start being busy every day of the week.
So these are our pumpkins we just picked. Big Maxes and like some other ones, I don't know what they're called. So here's some pumpkins and there's some over here. So I'll keep you, and here's Gracie. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.
Okay, so the pumpkins are $3 a piece, and we got hundreds back here. We got like, there's still like, I don't know, 25 left. Or 27.
We did 100 pumpkins, so.
No, we didn't.
Okay, so here's Aubrey.
And yeah, we might have to make 40 pumpkins.
Yeah,
Yeah, we got some of the trash here. Yeah, we found more.